your girl Lizzie Love coming at you with another video. Letting you know if nobody told you they love you today, that Lizzie loves you. It is now, hold on. So it is now 5:59 in the morning. And it looks so nice outside already. The sun's coming up. But what we are doing is we are getting ready to go. We have to, so we're going to drop Miss Kittles off, right? And you're going to be a good girl, right? So we're dropping Miss Kittles off at Mima's house. Then we're going to come all the way back on this side because Wawa has a field trip today. Are you ready for your field trip to the farm? Kadrian? You ready for the field trip to the farm? Yeah, everybody's tired, so. Yep, I'm just waiting for the car to warm up. Yo, she scared the mess out of me. Anyway, so we just wait for the car to warm up. But while it's warming up, I can talk to you. Because yesterday, I got to bed at like 10:30 maybe. Like, actually fell asleep, it was like 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Whenever Family Guy come on. Falling asleep. Once I fell asleep, I was awakened by the little one at like maybe 12:45. Yeah, 12:45 I was awakened by him. He did not go back to sleep until after 2, close to 3. And then my husband woke up. And you know when men wake up, they not quiet. They cut the light on, need your help finding stuff. So he got up at 4. So I slept for like an hour. He got up at 4. I was up with him real quick. Then I closed my eyes. And next thing I knew it was 5 o'clock and I had to rush to get them ready. So today, I'm bringing in reinforcements. But yeah, so the car should be warmed up. And we're about to get this show on the road. But yeah, I'm finna put this camera down because I got to do some real driving now. Let's see, it's 7:10. I gotta be where I need to be at in 45 minutes, and it's an hour away.
All right, guys. Here we go. You ready? Yeah. All right, let me count one more time. Make sure we have 12 friends in line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many friends are with us today? 12. You, and you are going to be with me, okay?
I'm gonna stand right here.
You and you are with me.
Stay in line, Kadrian. There you go. Baby's first field trip. Start changing plans. Our bus isn't here yet. And gotta wait here. And baby don't feel good. You feel better? Yes. Okay. Good boy.
Yeah, I wonder which school bus we're gonna go on.
Go ahead, Kadrian. I'm right here. He wouldn't be not letting him out of his friend's phone.
That's school bus.
Made it to the farm. Good? Are you good, Joey?
I have either squash. Y'all like zucchini squash? No. How about cucumbers? Anybody likes cucumbers?
Say yes.
Well, you can have your choice between a squash or a cucumber plant. And you can take them back with you and plant them in your garden. Okay, then we've got the cucumbers, which are closer to me. The ones with the flower or your squash plant. So you can come up and say cucumber or squash. And then right over there is our soil. Wow. So we'll put the plant in the pot. You'll take the pot and plant over and fill the pot with soil. Got it? So here, moms, parents.
Sit your plant down and put all the dirt in there.
Ahí, mi amor. Hay que echarle uno bonito. Mira bonito. Échale. Mira, vean. Llena más, mi amor. Llena más. Vamos por ahí. Llena más tierra, mamá.
Excuse me.
They're going to be very thirsty, okay? So we want to make sure they have enough water. Do plants like to go swimming? Do they like to swim?
No.
No, they don't want to swim. They just want to be wet. Just a little wet, not floating in the pot. Okay, what else is important?
1 year old. Yeah.
They don't seem extra big. Are they?
Yeah, they are pretty big. I'm not sure what breed they are.
She's staying out of the shade. She
I
said, I think it's safer under here. There's no sunlight.
That's where I came over. You want to come up see him?
Yeah, so sadly enough, these bunnies do not like to be picked up because they were not socialized with enough when we were little.
Let me alone. Let me alone. Go.
Póngase la manito.
There you go.
Nena. Así ven.
Oh, done finished.
Okay. No hace nada, mami. Mira.
I'm done finished.
Dámelo, pues. Matthew.
Cashew.
Mira, no pasa nada.
Uh-oh, watch out. Come here.
Mira.
He scared you? I told you don't. They just turning their head left and right, left and right, left and right. Yeah, there's gonna be food somewhere.
He already know what time it is.
Eat it. Come on.
Come on.
Corn. Guess what kind of corn it is?
Sweet corn.
That is popcorn.
Duh.
As hot as it been, it's hot. We going in the water. You see, we in the water. Here come the alligator. You scared?
Jojo. Ooh, the water.
You gonna jump in?
Do you guys think there's fish in the water? Dirty water. That's probably nice.
Bobo. They had a good time. Ready to go home? Yes, we're ready to go home.